Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a shatter effect in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First create a new composition, make it Full HD, 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to Layer, Import File and import your image. I choose this one, then import. Drag and drop in timeline, then press S to scale it, like this. Okay, now go to Layer, Pre-Compose, and I'll call it Sweets. Okay. Now make sure that you are in Move All Attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Go to Effects and Presets and type Shatter. Drag and drop, and yeah. Okay, now go to View and change White Frame to Rendered and Open Shape, Pattern, change Breaks to Glass. Okay. Now go to Repetition and increase it. Okay, I need to make it 50, like this. Okay. Now go to Extrusion Depth and change it to 0.3. Yeah. Good. Okay. This is our shot. Okay, now to make something special, go to Layer, New Solid, and make sure that you are in the white color, then hit OK, close it, and go to Pen tool and put your mask like this. Yes. Okay, this is our mask. Then again go to Suite and Gradient. Okay, Gradient, open Gradient. Now go to Gradient Layer and White Solid. Okay. And change source to effects and masks. Then go to Shatter Threshold. Then go to Shatter Threshold and increase it to 20. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Okay, now go to Physics and Rotation Speed, increase it, make it 0.40. Okay, Randomness, increase it also, maybe 0.30 will be good. Yes. And also Viscosity, increase it, maybe also 0.3. Also Mass Variance, increase it like this. And now Graffiti, I'll make it 50. And let's see what's going on here. Yes, very good. Okay, now go to Camera Position. Okay, I'll go to Z position and increase it like this. Also Y rotation and make it look like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, now this is my tutorial. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.